Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to list your property on VRBO in 2025 quickly and easily. If you have been wondering how to get your property up on the platform, this is the step-by-step guide give you you've been looking for. Let's dive right in. First, open any browser on your phone and computer and head over to vrbo.com. Now log into your VRBO account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Next, click on your profile icon and from the drop-down, select List Your Property. This will take you straight to the property listing page. Now, start by entering some basic info like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other key details. Once you have filled those out, click on Next at the bottom. On the next screen, you'll be asked to provide your property address and unique number. If there is one, after entering that, hit next again. Now VRBO will show you an estimated value based on your property details and similar listings in the area. If you're happy with that, just click next to proceed. From there, you'll need to verify your phone number and upload images of your property. Just follow the on-screen prompts. They'll walk you through the final steps. And that's it. Your property is now listed on VRBO and ready to welcome guests. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.